Miss Deja, please unmute yourself.
Okay.
Thanks.
Good morning. This is call number 2022-37440 in the interest of Soraya Hunter. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hand to be sworn. Right hand, ma'am. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. Please state your name and your relationship. You can drop your hand now. Your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Adasia Crockett, and I'm Soraya Hunter's mother.
All right. And representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Kavita Sharma, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Jerry Hammonds Hunter. Mr. Hunter was personally served on August 15th, 2022 at 10:40 a.m. at 5022 South Willow Drive, apartment 1408 in Houston, Harris County, Texas. He's not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
Correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge, I'd like to call the mother first, Miss Adasia Crockett. Good morning,
Okay.
Miss Crockett. We're here for one child, is that right?
That's correct.
And how old is your child?
He's 3 years old.
And who does your child live with?
He stays with me.
And who's the father?
Jerry Hunter.
Did Mr. Hunter sign the acknowledgement of paternity?
Yes, and we had a DNA test done.
Okay. Is it possible that anyone else could be the father of the child?
No.
Are you asking the court to name Jerry Hammonds Hunter as the biological father?
Yes.
And are you asking to appoint you and Mr. Hunter as joint conservators of the child?
Yes.
And the child will continue to live with you, is that right?
That's correct.
And have you and Mr. Hunter had a good co-parenting relationship?
No. Honestly, no.
And have you all previously resided in the same household?
Yes, we have.
And when did you separate?
Maybe around August 2019, a little bit after she was born.
And since then, has he contributed financially to the child's care?
No, only like $200.
Okay. And has there ever been a history of domestic violence between you and Mr. Hunter?
Yes, there has.
And have you had the occasion to call the police on him?
Yes, I have.
And do you know where Mr. Hunter is currently employed?
No, but he said it was at a dealership. He said he had 2 jobs, and it was at a dealership, but I don't know where. He didn't state where he worked at.
And do you have any direct knowledge of his income?
No, I don't.
Okay. Do you know if he has any other children?
No, he doesn't.
And how is your child covered under health insurance?
Medicaid.
So because we don't have any direct knowledge or information of where Mr. Hunter is employed, do you understand the court is going to order child support and medical support based on minimum wage?
Yes, I understand.
And you said you currently carry the health insurance through the state. Is that true?
That's correct.
And you agree to maintain that health insurance for your child?
Yes, I do.
And are you asking the court to order Mr. Hunter reimburse cash medical support at $57 a month to begin December 1?
Yes.
And Ms. Crockett, you agree to pay half of any uncovered health costs?
Yes, I do.
And are you asking the court to set current child support at $217 a month beginning December 1?
Yes, I do.
And you stated that you and Mr. Hunter separated around August of 2019. From that day until today, he's only provided $200 in direct financial support?
That's correct.
And giving him credit for that $200, are you asking the court to set a judgment of $8,480 against Mr. Hammonds for back child support?
Yes. I do.
And are you asking the court to set a payout of $93 a month to begin December 1?
Yes.
And you stated previously that there has been domestic violence. Does Mr. Hammonds know, I'm sorry, Mr. Hunter know where you currently live?
No, he doesn't.
And if he knows where you live, will that cause you or your child harm, harassment, abuse, or serious injury?
Yes. I do.
And are you asking the court to keep that address confidential?
Yes. I do.
And you're asking the court to set standard visits for the child with Mr. Hunter, is that correct?
That's correct.
And where would you want these visits, the exchange for the child pickup and drop off to be?
And so Walmart in Humble, 9325 North Sam Houston Parkway, 77396.
Thank you. And have you read and reviewed this order today?
Yes, I have.
And do you believe it's in the best interest for your son?
For my daughter, yes.
Oh, your daughter, sorry. Thank you. And Ms. Crockett, thank you. I have no further questions. And Judge, I pass this witness.
All right, Ms. Crockett, why do you think that if Mr. Hunter knew where you lived, that he would cause you or your child any harassment, abuse, serious harm, or injury?
Because there's times, and I still have the voicemails to where he'll call me and threaten me. He's threatened my life on occasion before. I've had to call the police on him. He's hit me with her in my hands before. He's just an up and down person. He's very unpredictable.
What did you
And
call the police for?
he wouldn't let me leave the apartment, and I was scared for my life at the time.
All right, the court will